When it comes to land surveying services in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as the top land surveyor in the area. With their expertise and experience in the field, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for delivering accurate and reliable land surveying solutions to their clients. Whether it is for residential or commercial projects, their team of highly skilled professionals ensures that every survey is conducted with precision and attention to detail. As the top land surveyor in Yelahanka, SCON Design understands the importance of providing comprehensive surveying services that meet the specific needs of their clients. They offer a wide range of surveying solutions, including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, construction staking, and land planning. Their team utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and advanced techniques to gather accurate data and produce detailed survey reports. This allows their clients to make informed decisions about their land development projects. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart as the top land surveyor in Yelahanka is their commitment to delivering exceptional customer service. They prioritize client satisfaction and aim to exceed expectations with every project they undertake. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and provide tailored solutions that meet their needs. They also ensure clear communication throughout the entire surveying process, keeping clients updated on progress and addressing any concerns or questions they may have. SCON Design's expertise extends beyond land surveying. As a leading design firm, they have a holistic approach to land development projects. They understand the importance of integrating surveying services with other design elements to ensure a seamless and efficient process. When it comes to finding a top land surveyor in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is the name that stands out. With their years of experience and expertise in the field, SCON Design has established themselves as a leading provider of land surveying services in the area. They have a team of highly skilled and knowledgeable professionals who are dedicated to delivering accurate and reliable surveying solutions to their clients. One of the key reasons why SCON Design is considered as the top land surveyor in Yelahanka is their commitment to quality. They understand the importance of precise and detailed surveying in various industries such as construction, real estate, and infrastructure development. Therefore, they utilize advanced technology and state-of-the-art equipment to ensure that their surveys are conducted with utmost accuracy and efficiency. SCON Design takes pride in their team of experienced surveyors who have a deep understanding of land surveying principles and practices. They are well-versed in using modern surveying techniques such as GPS, total stations, and laser scanning, which enables them to capture accurate measurements and create detailed survey reports. Their expertise allows them to handle a wide range of surveying projects, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, and land development surveys. In addition to their